Hello, I'm really excited to share with you the pleasure of using Create My Dish. Create My Dish is set up with the idea of showing a little bit of information about a bunch of different ingredients that we can put together for a meal. Now, as you can see, I've chosen egg and beef in this instance, and you can see straight away that we have egg and ground beef as two of the items here. Indeed, you will see corned beef and 2 eggs here also featured. And you can see the large egg beaten there. So you can see a number of different items there that all fit together quite nicely. Good selection of different items to actually work from. And they got the meatballs there. So let me take you a little bit further on this particular journey. You can see here that we have the cooking guide. So you've got the dietary consideration and possibly the sugar content that may be of some interest. We've also got the calorie servings. The full cooking instructions can also be seen there to help us with preparing our food. We do recommend checking about the food allergies and dietary restrictions that may be relevant, and obviously the normal health and safety considerations you'd have within your meal. So the 4 servings there, again the cooking guide on each one to give you a full selection of areas of interest. We also point out the high calorie content if that is relevant to our servings, and you can see here we've got 81 grams per serving and 56 grams per serving. Further down we have another few menus which are quite interesting. Slight delay there as it produces the information about the beef and again our egg. You'll see the features fairly similar in most products. Do a search through to make sure that there's everything there you want that fits in with our end result. So you've got the frequently asked questions here, which you can then make use of, and how to use the system. You can see the 4 ingredients that you might use in any search, for example, and we're going to go for tomatoes and then don't forget your comma. So I'm going to put pasta. I'm going to search my recipes, and there we go. We have tomatoes and pasta potentially within our menu. There we go, tomatoes. And you can see through the different other items that we've got there. We've got the word pasta there featured as well. So you'll see good selection of different items. The menu has changed, the food has changed, the descriptions have changed, etc. Now, you might be in the catering field yourself. You might be a retailer looking at all these different products and thinking, oh, we do that. Well, why not come along then and have a conversation with us about sponsoring this particular product? You can see how it works. You can see it in actual fact in operation. Data coming through Spoonacre, and again, you have the option of booking a discovery call if you want to know more, and connecting with me, John Ferris, through LinkedIn. So don't forget, right hand side here, we have the option just to reset everything to a complete dashboard. So if you're going to be a high user, talk to us about what that might be, it might look like. If you want to be just a low user, we're going to give you a number of searches just to give you a good understanding of where you're going with this particular product. This is called Create My Dish. Create My Dish, folks. Thank you.